If your hands are looking this dark, if you have a dark knuckles that are this deep dark or black, then today's video is for you. Because trust me, if your knuckles has gotten this dark and your hands are looking like this, then there is no dark knuckles video that you watch and try out what they say inside that is going to work for you. And you're also going to confirm to me that you have tried everything that you know to lighten up your dark knuckles, to lighten up your hands, and it has not worked. In today's video, I am going to be giving you a permanent remedy for this type of stubborn dark knuckles, stubborn dark hands, and all of those things. Trust me, I am making this video to help you, and I'm making it from my heart because I have seen a lot of people with this type of hand issue, knuckle issue, stubborn dark knuckles that has refused to go. So today, this video is for you. If you're interested, kindly continue watching, like this video, leave a comment, subscribe to the channel if you have not, yes, and also share this video to someone that you know that this video is going to help, because I'm going to be sharing a simple remedy. You know, sometimes when something is very simple, a lot of people don't take it serious or they feel it's not going to work. What I'm going to tell you is very simple, very practical, but it is super effective, and it is going to help your fingers, your dark knuckles, your hands in general. So now, my dear, if your hands are looking like this, first of all, we need to go back to factory reset. I like to you see this place, if you are seeing my face for the first time, this channel is Truth Arena. I don't paint things, I tell you as it is, and also help you with the real treatment that is going to help you with your skin issues. Now, if your hands are looking like this, if your fingers are looking like this, the issue is not that your knuckles darkened. If you are going to be honest with yourself and also be honest with me, your knuckles did not darken. What happened was you are a dark person and then you try to lighten your skin. You try to lighten your skin with a particular lightening body lotion that lightened your body but did not lighten your fingers properly. If I am correct, let me know in the comment section, because that is the only reason that is going to make your hands have this type of Coke and Fanta complexion. So first of all, as I said, we need to go back to factory reset. What caused this particular dark knuckles? That's why I always ask that question. When people come to me with skin issues, I ask, what did you do that caused this thing? Which cream did you use that caused this thing? Because it is when you go back to what exactly caused that skin condition that you can now ascertain the right treatment, the right products that are going to work for that thing. Now, the basic type of dark knuckles that we usually treat are dark knuckles that come from people that are already fair or something like that. They use a cream, it's now causing them dark knuckles. It can be out of dryness of the skin, friction on the skin, hot water, and all of those things. That one is different. But people that have their hands looking like this, from my own personal experience, the cause of that is that this person is a dark person and you are actually a very dark person. You're not a caramel light dark person. Okay, you are a very dark person and then you use the lightening cream, and the lightening cream that you use is not a good lightening cream. You use a harsh lightening cream. Okay, you use the harsh lightening cream, and then the harsh lightening cream now brightened or lightened your body, lightened other parts of your body without carrying your fingers along. It left your fingers at the bus stop and left. Because this part of your hands, they are very sensitive, you know, they react to things because of the way it is. When you keep your fingers like this place is not straight. So a lot of times you are not even rubbing your lightening lotion well. You are not taking time to bend your hand like this to massage in the cream. So that place does not follow you in that your lightening journey. Do you understand? You are lightening your skin because this part of your body is plain. Those places are easy to lighten. but your hands here and your feet has refused to follow you along. You are using a harsh lightening product. The treatment to this particular skin issue, as I said again, which I know you have not understood, is to go back to what? Go back to factory reset. Now, you don't necessarily need to go back to factory reset all over your body. No, because your hands are already looking like Coke and Fanta. This place is fair, this place is dark, this place is dark, some parts of this place are fair. The one product that I usually recommend and that always works for my clients is this product on the screen. As I said, the remedy is very simple and you might not take it serious because you might feel Vaseline. Vaseline, how? This particular Vaseline, let me make it clear. Original Blue Seal Vaseline. There is Nigerian Vaseline. It is not the Nigerian one I'm telling you to buy. Then the Nigerian one it's not like it's fake, but it's just Nigerian one. I hope you get. It is not fake, but it is just Nigerian one. When you open it, it has this yellowish look. That is how to know original Vaseline and original Vaseline or foreign Vaseline and Nigerian made Vaseline. The Nigerian made has this yellowish tone color. The foreign made has a whitish, creamy, milkish white color. Do you understand? So try your best to lay your hands on this Blue Seal, original Blue Seal Vaseline with aloe vera extract in it. This particular product is going to transform your hands. Now, to give you a tip, this particular product, the very smallest one, the original one, the wholesale price is sold at 2,000 naira. That smallest one that looks very small like this, it is sold for 2,000 naira. Wholesale price can be 1,500, but if you go to a regular shop, it is going to be sold for 2,000 naira. So if you see those small Vaseline you used to buy for 1,800 naira, it is, I don't want to say fake, but it is not the main one. It is not what I'm talking about. If you get that one, it might not give you the result I'm talking about. So please try and lay your hands on original Blue Seal Vaseline with aloe vera extract in it. This particular one. This particular product is a game changer when it comes to working on skin issues like this. Now, how are you going to use it in your hand and why am I recommending this product for you? Now, the reason why this particular product works for this particular skin issue is, number one, petroleum jelly is very softening to the skin. It is very softening to the skin. Do you understand? Now, when you start applying the petroleum jelly on your hands, it is going to soften the texture of your skin. People that have hands looking like this, fingers looking like this, you are going to agree with me that your fingers are always dry. Your fingers, your hands from here up, they are always looking dry, always looking dehydrated, always is looking, I don't know, it's giving dryness. So now, even if you moisturize, it is going to be very, unless you use a very good hand cream. Do you understand? Now, what this petroleum jelly or Vaseline is going to do for you is to start to soften your hands. It's this part of your fingers, they are going to start getting soft. Because one thing you people don't know with all of these harsh lightening products that you buy, all these Cameroon products, those lightening body lotions that have Cameroon name, is that they contain steroids. A lot of them contain steroids. A lot of them contain hydroquinone in high quantity. A lot of them contain mercury and all of those harsh skincare ingredients that are going to burn your skin. So that thing you are seeing on your hands, it is a burn from the chemical, from the lightening body lotion. So your hands are burnt. It has burnt your skin. That is why your skin is looking that dark. Usually here is dark, this place is dark, this place is dark, this place is dark or black, this place, there are some parts of your skin you are going to, this is not just a regular normal dark knuckles that you are experiencing. You are experiencing a burn on your hands. So now this is going to start softening that part of those part of your fingers. It is going to be shedding, like it is softening it and shedding off that, because it is an injury on your skin. When a lightening body lotion burns your skin, it is an injury. That dark thing you are seeing, it's just like where you have an injury and then the injury goes, that black cloth covering that part of the injury that usually you are going to peel out. When you peel it out, you're going to see a new skin. Do you understand? But because this one is not like an injury that opened inside, it is just going to be on your skin. So when you start rubbing that petroleum jelly, it is going to soften that part of your hand. So it is going to soften your whole hands, and those dark skin are naturally going to slough off. They are naturally going to slough off. You're going to notice that the complexion of your hand is going to start rhyming. You cannot explain it, but this is the results you are going to see. Honestly, I am going to tell you the honest truth. This is the only product you need. Now, how do you use it? How do you use this particular product? So I am going to advise you to get that smallest one. Get the smallest one so that you can always carry it around. Always carry it in your handbag. Carry it in your trouser pocket. Carry it around everywhere, because you are going to need to be reapplying it every freaking time. Never allow your hands to go dry. Anytime you notice your fingers, your hands are dry, you are going to bring out your Vaseline, apply a little bit on your hands. Make sure you are massaging those parts of your fingers that are dark. Massage it there. Massage it there. Over time, you are going to notice that those parts of your hands that are fair, overly fairer than those darker parts, they are going to be blending with the darker parts, and the darker parts are going to be getting less darker. 1 month, 2 months time, your whole hands has rhymed together. Now, they are not going to rhyme and be fair. They are going to rhyme and give you a natural complexion on your hands. Now, when you arrive at this natural complexion on your hands, do you understand? You are now going to look for a very good hand cream that is now going to help you to brighten your fingers. This is very easy. It looks very simple, but it is super effective. This is the only thing you need to do to clear that stubborn dark knuckles, that stubborn dark hands that you are experiencing. If you have used this Vaseline to treat hyperpigmentation, a stubborn dark hyperpigmentation on your skin before, let us know in the comment section. This particular Vaseline, the original one, really helps African skin, melanin skin. It helps to slough off those burns, because Vaseline, if you don't know the backstory to Vaseline, Vaseline helps to heal your skin. Vaseline helps to heal burn. Vaseline helps to heal some kind of stubborn burns, hyperpigmentations that come from using all these harsh lightening products. Yeah, that's what it does. One thing I need you to know is that if you're having that kind of hand, it is not a regular dark knuckle. So that is why everything you have tried have not worked for you. What you are dealing with is closer to skin burn than not regular dark knuckles. So do everything I have told you in this video, and you are going to get a very good result. Let me know in the comment section what you think about everything I've said in this video, and I'm going to see you on any of these videos right here. And if you have any skin conditions, if you don't know how to set a very good skincare routine for you, I am here to help you. I have a one-on-one skin consultation class on WhatsApp. You can pay for the 1 day or you pay for 1 month. I will help you to arrange your skincare routine or help you with any skin issues you're having, tell you the right products that are going to help you in your skin to give you a healthy, glowing skin. Because honestly, your skin is fair and your skin is not healthy, it's not sexy. So try to get a good skincare routine. If you need help, I'm always here to help you. Thank you for watching today's one, and I'm going to see you on our next one.